Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of WordPress. So here we are going to learn how to hide WordPress theme from the name source code. Whenever you are trying to, whenever you have the checking like this is which WordPress theme it is. So how we are going to hide such kind of things for accessing the data from the WordPress. So how the hackers and the anyone can do is like you just they go just this one. Okay, paste this and then control u this one, so I will get the information, right? So which plugins where I'm using, so I have all the path wp plugins are there. So I think it will fetch you like which themes they are uses they can have, so which themes they are using, plugins they are using, so they can brute force attack on that kind of plugin and hack your website. So how we are going to disable all these things? So first of all we will disable the theme, then we will go with the plugins and all. Okay, so let's see, we have a plugin that is called wp high total enhancer, so that we are going to install and check how the plugin work. So let's add this. This is install this one. So it is installed. Let's see WP height. So we have the setups, setting up. So get started. So this is the run sample, setup demo video, hide rewrite URLs. So currently the theme name is encoded. Change the theme URL, which is the default set WP contact themes encoded. Example template. So here you can change that one. You can change WP includes change default wp includes path over here, block wp includes url also. Okay, this is advanced option. Okay, so you can see that uploads directory is also there. So you can also example media, you can also add theme, you can also change. Okay, so this kind of things can be usable for such kind of security point of view. So you can just do the rest of the settings over here. You can change the theme path, you can change the wp includes folder, then we have content, plugins, upload. So you can see that we have a by default path is this example. You can set it with the test. Okay, if I'm going to say a new path, the setting will be set over at new plugin path for this classic editor modules example. So you can change all of the plugin that we have with the path name this one. So everything that you can switch out with this path, new path, so nobody can learn which plugin they are using, what kind of things they are going to use. So you can rewrite all the urls, all the path, all the name from here. Okay, so it's very useful plugin. So you can use this one and implement your website. And if it feels like this will help your WordPress website to be not known by any other person, just let me know if this plugin is really helpful for it or not. But I have checked that it's very useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.